Our Comfort Club Plus is a program where we come out and we do that routine furnace maintenance and that yearly service tune-up on your air conditioner that you want done. But the Plus gives you all these added benefits because you're choosing our company to do it for you. This is designed to save you money and give you immediate priority service. 365 days a year, 7 days a week. We never close. You call us on a Sunday night, you call us on Christmas, in the middle of summer, in the middle of winter, it doesn't matter. You have a heating or cooling problem, we're there for you. You never pay an overtime fee for after hours, weekends, or holidays. In fact, we take our normal price rates and we reduce the cost 15% more for parts and labor and showing up and determining what's wrong. So you get a 15% discount, you get priority service. We know that we're gonna do an amazing job for you. We're gonna save you money. We're gonna prolong the life of your equipment. If you decided actually to move over to the other side of town, you can transfer it to your new equipment and we'll just take care of you over there. If you move out of the area, you can sell it to a new homeowner as a benefit, or you can say, hey, will you please just refund what I haven't used so far and we'll give you a refund on the balance. Let's say we're doing maintenance year after year on your system and you pay for the Comfort Club Plus, and your furnace and air conditioner is getting old and you're thinking to yourself, it might be time that we go ahead and upgrade this to a new system. We're going to take all the money that you've spent on Comfort Club Plus that you've invested and we're going to give it back to you 100%, and we apply it towards the purchase of what you want to upgrade. So it's like getting the maintenance done for free. We're going to maintain it, we're going to take care of you. When you want to upgrade, we're going to refund it to you, and if you need repairs during the time, you're going to pay a discounted rate. So if you have questions about Comfort Club Plus, ask the technician, we'll get you taken care of.